So I came out here to show you guys the finished product of the taillight after tinting it, which we need to redo it. As I was looking at the taillight, one thing I noticed is this. I was hit. I have no idea how, when, or what hit me, but that is not pretty. Got my Uber XL. Put my truck off at the dent place. He didn't want me to like film or anything, and it had to be like, it was like a drop-off process. Like he had to work on it all day, so luckily Alex was awake and available.
I don't sleep.
Did you
Team no sleep, 2 hours.
Did you sleep last night? Oh, 2 hours. That's a lot for him. But I'll show you guys the finished product when we come back and pick it up, probably later in the day. We have less than like 3 days, so it's already Wednesday. Man, the crunch time is real. I just picked up my truck from the alignment shop, mainly because putting the 14 whites back on and I'm leaving the spacers, and my alignment was never really straight. They were jamming in my truck anyway. Or was I jamming into my truck? I don't know. Yeah, the alignment was never straight. My truck would pull to the left, but like the steering wheel was to the right. So I wanted to get that fixed, and I figured now that it's on stock wheels, it's the best time to get an alignment done. I knew I had to do it before I put the 14 wides on, so I'm doing that today. And then tomorrow we gotta take the grill off, or I have to take the grill off tonight. And then first thing in the morning tomorrow, we're taking it back to Rick's Paint and Body, have them paint the grill black because, gosh, the grill is peeling. So crunch time is real. I hope to see you guys at the show. Many rainy days later, here is the dent that got pulled out. Yeah, the truck is really dirty, but yeah, I mean, it all came out. I mean, it got the shape back, and he definitely got the dent pulled out. He wasn't happy with it because you can still kind of see ripples, so he actually didn't charge me at all. But I felt really bad because he did get the dent out. Honestly, this does look a lot better than when it was dented in, and I really do appreciate his honesty and the fact that he didn't want to charge me because it wasn't perfect. That speaks a lot for his business. I felt bad because to me that still looks way better than it did before, and he did get the dent pulled out. And if I ever need to get any kind of paint work done to make it look perfect, it's gonna cost me less. Completely satisfied with the way this looks. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. But yeah, I mean, I felt bad just leaving, you know, after he worked on it for like 5-6 hours. I was like, dude, let me at least like pay for your time. And he was like, dude, I can't. I'm not gonna accept any money, but if you want to tip me, you can. So I tipped him with whatever cash I had at the time, which was like $100 to 150 bucks. So overall, like technically for like 150 bucks, I think that turned out pretty good. Right now, we are working on a couple of rock lights. Installing 22-piece rock lights on this truck and adding 3 rock lights to the under the hood for the engine bay to show off some of the components.
Hello?
We actually got Devin doing some wiring today. Goal is 22-piece on the truck. And then, oh, I can't reach, but as you guys just saw, got some beautiful piping under the hood. So he's gonna be at the show. He's mainly coming to the show to show off what's under the hood. We wanna really light it up. Devin uses this truck to pull his 69-foot camper. He actually uses his truck for towing. And one thing that's interesting is he does have a 63mm Stealth. Is it Stealth or Cheetah? I mean, they're the same thing. Stealth 63 turbo. My life is just no routine. Every day the same damn thing. Golly. Dang.
That's foaming bomb like crazy.
Man, we got Beyonce over there just singing. All right, Beyonce. I do want to do a video where we do like in-person towing review of the Stealth Turbo. His truck is an LLY Duramax, and his father-in-law is an L5P Duramax. He's actually had to use the L5P stock, no tune, nothing, to pull this tractor, and he said it was kind of struggling. There's no comparison between a tuned Duramax versus a stock one. and I thought that'd be kind of interesting. Maybe we can do a video on that. Maybe we can do a bumper pull of, I don't know, a lighter tractor, and we can do a comparison between the LML versus the L5P. So if you guys want to see that, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if we got 2,000 likes, we'll use Alex's truck over there, the tow pig. We'll include that into our towing video. Whoa, we're almost done. 22 rock lights on the truck itself, and then 3 hood lights. How many do we put on Holden's? 4? 5? So I'm thinking about selling a set, so it'll be like a 3-piece kit and then a 5-piece kit. I think that would be perfect, right? And the placement, we did it right there because I think those 3 right there placed along the bottom is gonna really shine and light up the piping right there. So we'll see it in about 10 minutes. See how lit it is. All right, let's do it. Damn, son. That's how you do it.
About like that right there, too.
So you're not flying the hell out of people?
Yeah, because it's kind of blinding. Really straight up.
Does the show, like,
Update on Sema build.
we're discussing as to what is in the box.
Stan is building a 2020 for Sema, obviously. Truck is currently getting a lift kit put on. What's up, bud? Whoa, don't pants me.
Hey, why don't you go play with Asher?
One of the fun things about building a truck and having a build manager is that you really don't know what you're gonna get sometimes. So he knew the Kelderman stuff was coming, but he had no idea Gen Y stuff was coming.
Called it the same day. My boss calls me on the radio and he was like, hey, can you call my phone? I was like, yeah. He's like, did you order something from Gen Y? And I was like, no. And he's like, I don't know where these boxes came from, but there's something. He thought it was something for work. And I was like, nah, that's nothing for work, I promise you. So,
No, if it's got my name, it's mine.
yeah, it's like, that's not for work for sure. I was like, but I couldn't figure out. I was like, why would Gen Y send me something? And I realized. When I got up there, I was like, oh, I was super excited about it.
Maybe because we went live with them.
That's what I said. I was like, they just love my comments so much. Jeez, man. I need a like a screwdriver to get up with. They really package these things in. Jesus. All right, you're going to have to get a flathead or something. These freaking
Use your man muscles. Come on, we can do it.
I'm a recovering COVID addict.
All right. What's up?
I ain't gonna even like ruin the surprise.
Good, how you doing?
You said yours came in a box that torsion hitch?
I thought I was getting a torsion hitch. Yeah.
Like that?
I thought it says it's the same box, dude. And I was like I saw it and I was like,
There was no packing
getting the
slip
torsion
either,
hitch.
dude.
I'm getting the torsion hitch.
I'm sure there probably is, but it's inside. I don't know.
I just knew I was getting that torsion hitch. And then I opened it up and I was like, oh, it's not the torsion hitch.
I don't know. It weighs a lot.
It
But
does.
so does my other one. My other
It
one
should
weighs
be,
like 80, 90 pounds.
it's like, if it's not the torsion hitch, it's like the 5 or 7 position drop hitch with the ball, and yeah.
So Stan is hoping that that's a torsion flex hitch from
Torsion
Gen Y.
hitch.
I'm about to find out how much Gen Y loves me or not. They love me either way.
Oh, what's
can't
on?
look at it,
What's
'cause
on that?
That's
This
the
is the
inventory.
packing slip, but I don't want to see
I'll
it.
look at the inventory.
Nah, don't look at the inventory. You have to be surprised along with me. You got me?
I'm not saying a word, brother.
Laughing
Here,
like,
I'll help you. I'll help you.
Let's see it. So that's definitely the stabilizer bar, I think.
Yeah, that's the stabilizer kit.
That's the step.
Yep.
Oh, wait. I see.
Nah.
Regular.
Hey, that's a badass.
Yeah, that's badass.
But it's not like you need that torsion flex.
You got the 6th
Yeah.
position.
Is that a longer drop than your
My original?
than what
Yeah.
you got now?
I think so.
And I might be the same.
Mine's only a 5 position.
No, but I bought a 18-inch drop.
Oh yeah. So this is a 15-inch drop. It
Yeah.
says it right there on the package.
So actually, I think mine is in one length longer.
So
than this.
combine them together.
One actually, to reach up high enough to get to the top.
Yeah. Hey, how about, I think we should do a video where we combine all of our Gen Ys together.
There you go. I tried to post one
So
like
here's
that
the deal.
on my TikTok.
Put one in here and then but point them up, and then
Point
just
'em
put
up.
the steps on them
Yeah.
all the way up to the top of them.
Hooks, steps.
Yeah. Yeah, that
Here
thing's
she
good.
is.
Dude, this thing's a beast.
They are.
You've never
man.
had to pick one of these things up. You have no idea what heavy it is.
You can do deadlifts with those and be a really good workout.
Dude, now I got 2 of them. Yeah, I can do this. One in each hand. Just do like kettlebell walks.
All right, let's go ahead and unbox.
All right, next box. See what we got going on. All right, another Gen Y package.
You don't need that stabilizer, bro. I'll buy it from you.
The stabilizer kit. You didn't get one in here? Oh,
I need it for my tow rig, you know?
yeah. Old work truck, boat truck.
What we really need is that Gen Y, the 5th wheel.
Oh,
torsion
yeah.
flex
We actually do need it for you.
for when we tow the Sema.
All right.
All right. Yep. Finally, after I don't know how long, I've been trying to get a dang step, dude. Got my step.
You definitely need that for
Yeah,
sure.
because I kept having to step off the ball to get up there because the damn truck's so tall. And of course,
Stabilizer kit. Like,
stabilizer kit to go with
you know it's good quality when everything weighs like
a
as
million
much as
pounds.
it does.
Mhm.
Yeah. So if you see me driving around, my truck is not squatted. I just got a Gen Y.
Warning, your fuel mileage will go down after Gen Y.
Yeah. You better be committed. So actually, it's funny that I'm looking at this because I commented on a video today of the guy wrapping
Oh, that's
the
right.
hitches up.
Dude, they wrap their stuff.
Did you see how fast that guy wrapped it
Yes.
up? I was like, yeah, that's some skills right there.
I always struggle unboxing my Gen Ys.
Dude, I'm telling you, I'm like, this is no joke packaging. But at the same time, when it weighs 90 pounds, it'll bust out of the box if it's not put together right. I hate this shrink wrap stuff. Ta-da!
Let's see if Karen can pick that up. Can you pick up that hitch?
No, because she had to move mine at the house, and it's
She
terrible.
can't?
It's heavy as hell.
Come front squat it.
Do a deadlift with that.
What am I doing?
See if you can pick that hitch up.
This. Maybe from the ground. I don't know if I can pick it up from here. So I need like my legs.
She's got arms for days though.
You know,
Oh, she can pick it up.
I can pick it up. Yeah, I can pick it up.
Hey, I think we should do a video where we combine all of our Gen Ys together. She actually made that look
Stan
easier.
looked like a little.
I know, Stan was.
I had it in a whole box.
Stan was struggling a little bit. Hey, Stan, pick it up like Karen just did, without struggling. Hey, how about buying all of our Gen?
Don't grimace when you pick it up.
So I guess there's some more stuff about the powder coat. Now this box, we're gonna have to get this like out the truck.
Dude, this thing is heavy. Like these bumpers,
He put
like
it in there with a forklift.
Ooh,
Yeah.
it's gonna require all the guys.
Yeah.
I think you're better off unloading, unpacking it, and then repacking
Offloading.
it. But it's gonna be a pain in the butt to repack. Trust me, Kelderman, I love them, but they did not make their stuff easy to repack.
Do you really love them?
Yeah, I really like Kelderman. They have good quality stuff, man. I just need that 10 to 12 inch rear kit to come out, Kelderman. Hook
So
a brother
I just
up.
want the people at Kelderman to know that the reason that I went and got this bumper
Is because Matt.
because Matt Stroke, because it looks so damn good. I was like, I need to get that.
See, there we go, Kelderman.
So
That's good
he's
marketing.
doing the work for you.
That's good marketing.
Yeah, he's doing good work for you.
Going.
Try on the back end.
I mean, if I can get it
I say
all,
take
I
it
can
off.
get the back end.
Take the whole thing because the box is probably awkward as hell.
Okay, you
Where
got
are we
it?
going to? To the ground. Straight.
Oh. Oh, well, I didn't know y'all were just going down.
I thought we were going to move it.
I thought y'all were actually.
You gotta
going
make down.
Are you going to bring the back into your truck this way?
I barely have
This isn't going to my house. That's going to my house.
trying to
Oh,
hold it.
so what are we doing with this?
Unpacking. Look at it.
Oh, okay.
Do a good inventory.
Yeah, so about it.
Dude, I'm telling you, because if you're missing something and you don't tell Kelderman in 3 days, they start. That's the rear.
One thing Matt learned from his Kelderman experience is that you have to inventory everything. Make sure there's nothing missing, because if you are missing something, you have to reach out to them as soon as possible to get all that sorted out. So you got a 3-piece bumper for Kelderman.
On the back. Center with sensors.
This choker is not light either. It's heavy as crap.
Yeah, the whole what are you talking about? Once it's assembled?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The flog bumpers are light.
No, this is heavy, 1/4-inch steel.
Jeez.
This is
What
for
is
the
that?
front. This is for the front.
Bumper brackets.
Does this package have your rear bumper as well?
Okay.
Huh?
Does this have the rear bumper as well?
Yeah, there's a rear right
That's
here.
the
and
rear
that's the
bumper.
front.
Oh, that's the rear?
That's the rear right here.
Oh crap, I thought that was the front.
Yeah, no, that's
Oh,
the
okay,
rear
that
right
makes
here.
sense.
Front.
I didn't see that, so that makes sense that that's
There's
rear.
your monster hook bushings.
Good
This?
lord.
What is that?
That's what you might have to cut that down.
Did you actually get a deal on this?
On this thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think this is the monster hook bushing. I don't know yet. Hold on. That's the mesh
Alright.
screens.
Mesh screen. So
Here's
these
the
go
whole-
on the
Is
front
that the front?
bumper.
Bag and nuts and bolts. We'll go with this bag.
So
See, the good thing about these two guys having Kelderman bumpers is that if anything happens to my factory bumper, I got 2 spare bumpers that I can use. Are the 18s and 20s compatible?
For your plate.
What?
What does it say in 2018?
Where's it say 2018?
Just kidding.
I was like, what? Send that shit back.
As you guys saw earlier, we showed off the Kelderman bumper and the Gen Y stuff for Stan's truck. Now, there is a body shop that's going to be doing all the painting of the bumper and stuff like that. So we were able to borrow the dually from Matt to load all this up and take it to the body shop. Also, while we're doing it, I'm gonna load up all my wheels, take those home with me because I don't want to take up any more space in Mondo's shop. So we're gonna use Matt's dually with the 8-foot bed, load up my wheels, and then all that stuff. That's gonna be fun. Got the wheels all loaded on there. Check it out. Perfect. Like 0 room to spare. So 35, 1550, 14 wides. Yeah, it'll fit on the back of a dually. Well, I guess any GM 2500. It'll fit perfectly. Like, comment, and subscribe.